Hi everyone, welcome to Menlo's headquarters. I'm Alistair and today I'm going to be talking to you a bit about this Sungrow inverter. This is a commercial and industrial inverter, so if you are an installer looking for an inverter for a commercial project, this is the right choice for you. Let's have a look. Sungrow CX inverters have got some of the best documentation on the market, and this particular inverter has some really good features, all which have their own documentation so you know exactly how to use them. Some of these features include PR ratio, queue at night, and feed-in exports. The documentation isn't the only support you have with Sungrow as well. They have global helplines which can help with customer support and technical support, and there are a whole host of online platforms such as YouTube where you can see video content to see exactly how these things work. These inverters come with global MPPT, which means if one panel is shaded or damaged, it doesn't affect the efficiency of the others. This is really useful for installers because it makes designing easier. After installation, the monitoring software is really useful because it offers error analysis, so the end user is able to solve small problems themselves without having to call you. Additionally, as an installer, it gives you the opportunity to remotely change settings and update the firmware. These inverters come with some of the best warranty conditions on the market. They have a no-fuss policy, so if something does go wrong, they will replace your inverter within 48 hours and it's hassle-free. The Sungrow CX inverters are a great product to install, and they always leave a good impression on the end user, leaving you looking like a professional. If you want to have a bit more information about this product to send to your end user, check out the video here. If you want to look at any of our other product videos, check out the description below. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Stop! Don't go anywhere. If you've enjoyed this video, why not join us on the Menlo Roadshow, where you can see these products in real life. We're probably coming to a city near you. Check the description down below to register now. Bye-bye.